In this video, we will discuss section B of lesson 7, that is mental ability. In the first question, it is asked, select a figure from the options in which figure X is exactly embedded as one of its parts. This is the figure X and we have to check that where it can be added in these four figures and where it will fit exactly. So here we can, if we compare this figure X with all these four figures, we will find out that this figure is exactly fitting here at this part of the figure A. So correct answer is A. In the next question, select a figure from the option which completes the figure X. This is the figure X and we have to complete this figure. This part is missing. So if we compare these four options with this missing part and this figure, so we will find out that this option C, if we drag this block here, okay, and if we place it here, then definitely it will complete this figure. So C is the correct answer. Next is, the given question consists of figures 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the figures 1, 2, 3 and 4. There is a definite relationship between figure 1 and 2. So there is a relationship between 1 and 2. Establish a similar relationship between figure 3 and 4. So we have to establish similar relationship between these two by selecting the figure from the options which will replace the question mark. So we have to select the figure from these four, out of these four, and we have to place the required figure here in place of question mark. So first step is to find out the relationship. If we look at this figure carefully, and if we place here mirror in front of this image, that is 1, okay, if we place a mirror, then opposite in the mirror we will be able to see the mirror image, the opposite of it. And if we overlap these images, these figures, then what will happen? We will get the resultant this. Same rule we will follow here, the relationship we will follow. If we, this is the mirror image of figure 3, and if we overlap these two, then definitely we will get this figure, that is D. So correct answer is D. Question number 4 and 5 of section B, we will leave these questions because none of the figure options exactly matches the or completes the figure. So we will leave question number 4 and 5. Next is section C, analogy. Analogy means similarity. We have to find out the similar relationship. Let us have a look at the first question. First question says, here is to deaf. So similar analogy or similar relationship we have to find out among these four options with the word speak. The person who is unable to hear, that is called deaf. Similarly, the person who is unable to speak, okay, that person is called dumb. So relationship, okay, relationship is same, unable, okay, unable to speak, hear, that is deaf, unable to speak, that is dumb. So there is a similarity. So this is how we have to solve the questions of analogy. Next is, bank is to money and transport is to. So how bank is related to money? In bank we are, via bank we are able to send and receive money. Similarly, through transport we are able to send and receive goods. So correct answer is goods. This is the correct answer, B. Next question is, fan is to wings as wheel is to. So what is the relation between fan and wings. Wings are the part of fan. Similar relationship we have to find out for the wheel. So spokes, okay, spokes are the parts of wheel. Okay, so this is the correct answer, C. Next is horse is to nag and jackal is to, we have to find out the relation of jackal. Okay, so what is the relation first of all? Here nag is the sound, okay, that horse make. Similarly the howl is the sound that jackal makes. So relationship is, okay, we have found out the similar relationship, that is C. Next is architect is to building. So the relationship between these two words is that architects creates building. Similarly sculpture creates statue. So correct answer is B, statue. Next is illiteracy is to education as flood is to. So illiteracy is removed, okay, with the help by educating the persons. Similarly floods can be removed or prevented by making, okay, dams. So correct answer is dam. Next is skeleton is to body and grammar is to. So first of all we have to look at the relation here, that body, okay, the human body will not be able to stand properly if skeleton is not there. Similarly the language will not be able to stand, okay, or we will not be able to use language properly if grammar is not there. So correct answer is language. So this covers up the two sections, that is section B and section C of the exercise. In the next video we will discuss the remaining sections of lesson 7.